Hi, I'm Dee from Deelovelylife, and welcome to my channel. Encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and as a full-time stay-at-home homemaker. A variety of videos sharing caregiving tips, cooking, gardening, decluttering, cleaning, hauls, meal planning, always in my planner, chatting, and sometimes a burst of laughs. Let's face it, things happen in life, so why not make it lovely? Today I'm super excited because I get to enjoy some wonderful YouTube friends of mine here on YouTube for the holidays. We will be inviting you to each of our homes and share with you our holiday traditions and dishes. This collab is called the Progressive Dinner, where each of us is going to share with you a dish. So make sure that you stay tuned to the end of this video so that I can send you to the next host's house. First of all, welcome to our kitchen. Actually, we are in our Las Vegas home this week. I'll be having my family over for dinner, so this Crockpot Stuffing dish will be perfect. It's an all-time family favorite and always a flavorful hit at the table. I've been making this Crockpot Stuffing for the last 4 years now, and we look forward to having it on our holiday dinner table each year. My mom, aka Queen G, has always been quite the hostess with the mostest of many, many family holiday dinners at our family home. I remember calling her in a panic or making sure that she's in the next room as I cooked any holiday dinner soon after I got married. As a kid, we usually always enjoyed her homemade lasagna on Christmas Eve before midnight mass. That was just our thing. Then a ham and all the fixings on Christmas Day dinner. Nowadays, we sort of switch it up with either a ham, a prime rib, or even Dungeness crab. What do you usually cook? Let me know in the comments down below. Oh, and by the way, the recipe will be in the description box for you. So don't worry, just sit back and relax. Although this recipe does call for 2 cups of chopped celery and white onion. Next will be 8 to 12 ounces of a package of sliced mushrooms. Either size is fine, whatever you can find at your local grocery store will do. I think most of the slices are pretty large, so I like to cut them up into smaller bite-sized pieces. Over medium heat, I'm adding 1 cup of butter. Yup, 1 cup. Into my nonstick pan. I don't know why I just said that. I'm all trying to sound all Food Network here. Just kidding. If you enjoy cooking recipes like this one, then you'll want to check out my other recipe videos on my channel. I even do meal planning with some new recipes that I share, which I need to get back into filming those. I finally started to enjoy cooking in my later years. When I really get into my cooking, I like to watch a movie in the background, especially those holiday movies showing now on TV. I like the classics like Home Alone, Christmas Vacation is one of my top favorites. Polar Express, Christmas Story, I love them all. After sauteing the celery and onion for about 4 minutes, I add the sliced mushrooms and continue to cook for another 4 minutes. But 4 minutes, 5 minutes, altogether, let's just make sure it sautés for a total of 8 minutes. This is where you will add the parsley flakes.
All right, this is the part, this is the star of the video. I like to use this box here, Mrs. Cubbison's Traditional Stuffing, the seasoned. Now, it has all of the seasoning in there that you would need, but of course, you can add a little extra of thyme, extra pepper, salt, you know, whatever you like. Toss the warm vegetable mix over the breadcrumb mix and give it a good mix. Okay, I'm saying mix a lot. Boy, does it smell absolutely amazing. Even Santa Claus would show up for tonight for this dish. Okay, I added some thyme. Salt and pepper, and again, mix well. Recipe calls for 4 cups of chicken broth, but after all the times I prepared this, I've come to the conclusion that 4 cups will just make this stuffing too moist. And we don't want that. Instead, I will pour in 2 cups at first into the bowl with this mixture. And then after I put it into the crock pot, I might add in additional 3/4 cups of broth if needed later in the cooking hours, so it won't be too dry as you reach over the 4th hour of cooking in your crock pot. Add in 2 large eggs beaten, and then we mix real well before placing it into the crock pot.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger each day.
Start it on high for 45 minutes, then turn it to low for 46 hours.
To me it's perfectly clear.
Beautiful. This would serve 6 to 8 people easily with leftovers. Super easy to make and super flavorful. A must try from our house to yours.
We're falling in love. Hey. Take.
This is probably like one of the best cookies I have ever baked. Like, no lie. Like, seriously, you gotta try mine.
This progressive dinner collaboration will have you move from one house to another for each course of the meal. So your next stop to experience another holiday tradition and dishes will be from Stephanie, my Creatively Miss Me Decorating on a Budget. What a fun way to enjoy a variety of dishes and to connect with the holiday traditions of others.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and make sure you click on the subscribe button to this channel if you haven't done so, and to the rest of the participants in this wonderful collab. Happy holidays. Bye.
Store